I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days and I thought they never end. I've seen lonely times and could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Look down on me, Jesus. You gotta help me to make a stand. Just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I have seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days and I thought they never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. So I'm walking mine to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows the cold wind blows like you turn your head around. Hours of time on the telephone line, talking about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days and I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you somehow one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time now. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you, fire and rain. Thought I'd see you just one more time, Suzanne.